The only thing is question to expand the brain, inside the brain,
yeah, we are here already.
it's not duty of care. The next thing, only them in Mopao. Where is your conscience for one? Where is your humanity? So if at the end of the day I am doing this, and somebody in his right frame of mind will now term it like it's because it's his colleague. Are you having short memory? If your brain is so myopic, then that's what I have done before. When Toya Imaku had case with Shema, I was the only one that stood up. They chased me with gun, they almost killed me. 2 times.
Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, everyone. Good morning, good morning. Good morning.
I was threatened, my life was threatened, everything. And I stood my ground that you have no right to stop this person from walking. Nobody stood up. The lady ran away to America. Okay, you are going. When you will trust me, I put my life on the line, you come back and continue this job. I don't care if after I do and you deny me or you betray me or you stab me in the back. That's your body. Another person, I will. You understand what I'm saying? So they are looking at when Mujiolaya died in Canada with a 2-month-old. I said she is my colleague. How can I sleep when my colleague died abroad with almost Shumeji? Nobody, they won't release the child to anybody except the body is repatriated.
Yes.
So that means my colleague's child will be given to foster home. And she will be very different. I said, sell my car. The entire family had already agreed that they should go and bury her there. I said, sell my car as a deposit. I'll go and look for the rest of the money. That was when they changed their mind. Yeah? Did anybody hear it in the news? To give us money. Okay, what you guys have done is right. Nobody will. Now it comes to this one, they are now changing my name, my reputation. I don't listen to such nitwits. I hate when people are arrogant with ignorance. I don't do it. I will use social media to bring you down, go to comment section. You don't do that because they are far. I'm a human rights ambassador with the US Embassy in Lagos State. In Lagos. I was decorated and they gave us a mandate. I have never said don't try him. I never said don't go to court. I never said is. All I am saying is there are some certain things that is abusing human rights. Until you do that, when you now realize that if they remove human rights abuse, this case wouldn't have gotten this way. All those people that will say, why must you for being on you? But to Baba for being on you, to Bashora and Wolobare. Oh, you born in somewhere because I'm a woman. Or then you are black. Or then I'll just scream, you rape me. I travel abroad. If you need to see the way I always have rest of mind, if I travel to countries that I don't know anybody, I have traveled to countries that I don't know anybody. When I did my world tour, I went to Canada, America, UK. Let me say 85% of those places and the homes they accepted me, and I was so confident that they will not abuse my rights. They will not mess me up. I go everywhere. I did. Everything was peaceful. But in our country, somebody will feel, let me just do this. Before you put that action up, I'm appealing to Nigerian youth. If it is anything criminal, before you start deciding on your own, before you start concocting, planning, inform the law enforcement. Inform your lawyer. Let them guide you so that at the end of the day, we will not be having all this mess. Nigerians, you are seeing jungle justice. They kept quiet. They are seeing torture. I am saying they are keeping quiet. Obtaining confession under duress. They want to use that as a confessional statement. And go and look at the CP statement. He said he never confessed to rape. He only confessed to touching the girl. Where is now they must provide the rape, because those that are alleged rape, those that wrote is a rapist, will have questions to answer. You must answer it. Because at the end of the day, every crime has been sequenced. What I did not do, don't attach it to my crime because you want to be emotional. Somebody said, if he has chance for 30 minutes, so he was still playing with the girl. He didn't do anything. And you are still playing. If he has chance, he will die. So he's a rapist. How can you be saying that on social media when the case is already before the police? So we need somebody like us needs to come out and talk. Like, don't do that. Calm down. You are not the police. And they twisted my narratives. I want to give you a name that doesn't belong to me. All I am just doing is I'm doing my normal. I am just doing normal. As a matter of fact. Take it back to ijesha. She better not follow me. I was the one that came out and said it out. And this is what was meted against him. NDLA released a statement. They were saying, no, they didn't touch her, they didn't do that. Go and Google my name. Yomi Fabi NDLA. He's been there. I'm not going to lie against anybody. Go and look at what is wrong with the man now. Go and check his leg. How many of you have visited the man recently? Go and check him and know what the damage has been done to him. One picture. Go and see if you don't go close to tears. I am still going, presently now I'm still struggling to go. I want to go and buy a wheelchair. Because now he's in a situation over there. And the same public cried, he has excreted 16 rap. I would want to beg all media houses, editors, start doing serious course, as in crash courses on human rights for all your reporters and presenters. We all need it. Because until we get to that stage, there can never be peace and freedom. Okay. There can never be.
Up to this time, you haven't heard from Baba Ijesha at all, his own side of the story. But we keep hearing, it is said that any time a matter is in court, the two parties should not make comments on it in public. But we've been hearing Princess and Yabo still making comments when we haven't heard.
Another serious cause for concern. I can never be suspected for any crime. Can any one of you raise up your hand that it is not possible? I can never be suspected for any crime. Tomorrow it could be your turn. It could be the turn of your father. It's any crime. And when it is like that, the moment your freedom to express yourself is being taken away from you, there will be miscarriage of justice. But thank God we are in court. And the courts will do what? Will do justice to everything. And when we get to everything, whether he's guilty, he's innocent, I want the court to help us on that.
Thank you.
We also have Yomi, the Jotun Fulu here. Baba.
Baba, ẹ sọ fún wa kí ló gbé yín wá sílé ẹjọ́ lónìí.
Mo wá ṣe kíní ìpọ̀.
Ẹ má wọrí bàbá,
ẹ má sọ̀rọ̀ yín lọ, à ń gbọ́ yín. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni.
Ọmọ kan ni wọ́n ló dóòyàn.
Watch the mic.
Nítorí yóò sì jẹ́ tùmọ̀ sáwa, wọ́n ní ọpọlẹ́rìn. Wọ́n lé ó lè wo tó mú. Sọ́yà rẹ̀ wá ní jẹ́wọ̀n ọ̀nà pọ̀, wọ́n ní kí la ikó bírèkì. Lọ́dọ̀ àwa òṣèré, gbogbo nǹkan bá ní sọ wá pọ̀ látàwọn obìnrin. Ẹ bá sì kíyèsí ẹgbẹ́yìn ẹ̀ á máa dá fún un. Kò sóbìnrin òṣèré tó ṣe pàtàkì lóde òní tí ó gbé ohun òfókó kan dí òun rí nínú ẹgbẹ́ mi ò rí tó wá dogun tọmọ ìbáṣẹ ìlọ́tọ̀ ẹ wí ẹ pariwo ẹ wọ́n á dọ́gbọ́n fún un ó dùn yàn púpọ̀ mo sì mọ̀ pé ẹ̀yìn ò lè dáa fún wọn. Ọmọ ọlọ́mọdé lẹ́wọ̀n torí kíni tí ì sì ṣe pé ẹ̀jọ́ ṣe dáadáa fúnra yín rí lèmi náà fẹ́ bọ̀ wá wòran ni èmi ò kọ́gbọ́n ni ìgbọ́rú ẹ̀rí láàrin wa bá múra wa lọ kóòtù nítorí pé ọ bá mi sùn kí n gbọ́ rí eré ni àwàdà ni eré ni àwàdà mo sì pé lédì yẹn mo ní ó jọ ọmọdé ni ẹnu wa lóòótọ́ ẹni tí lówó kéèyàn mọ́ jẹun lójúmọ́ ní bàbá not how well not how far but how well àmọ́ láṣàtà ìfẹ́ gbọ́dọ̀ wọ́n dàrú rẹ̀ sí délé òdúlé o délé òdúlé náà ò jẹ́ báwọn sọrú ẹ̀ ọ̀dà jẹ́ nsọ tí mò ń fẹ́ mo ní Yomi Fábíyì tẹ́ ẹ fẹ́ mú tiẹ̀ mọ́ mo ní kò dá alátòṣe ní ìsàlàbí onírọ́lọ́ kan náà ni wọ́n mo lọ́dà mo fi ọgbà gbogbo ẹ̀ pátápátá ó ní ẹ máa gbọ́ àbá ẹjọ́ ẹ bọ́ọ̀lẹ̀ ń bẹ̀ mo nínú ọkọ̀ ni mo wà ní òní lórí tẹ́ ń bá ń sọ ni ṣe bẹ́yìn náà bóbìnrin ẹ lè gbà kan ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ fọmọ yín mo ní but now I'm talking to you as your father èmi ń bọ́ sọ̀rọ̀ bíi bàbá n tẹ́mi ń fẹ́ nu ó kàn pa fóònù tó tán.
nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ sọ wọ́n sì ni pé ẹ ti bá princess sọ̀rọ̀ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí.
princess Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ni princess èmi lè jọ sọ̀rọ̀ torí princess gan òfókà lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Ìyábọ̀ Òjó là ń rí oríṣiríṣi recordings ẹ̀ òun là ń rí princess òfókà.
tó túmọ̀ sí pé Ìyábọ̀ Òjó lẹ bá sọ̀rọ̀.
òun ni mo bá sọ̀rọ̀ kò lè pé mi ìbá ń sọ̀rọ̀ lórí fóònù ẹ̀dẹ̀ mo ti wá o.
kí wá ní nǹkan tí Ìyábọ̀ Òjó sọ fún yín lórí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí.
ọ̀gbọ́n tí ń wí yìí ó ní ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ mi náà bóbìnrin ó ní kí n bọ́ọ̀lẹ̀ ń bẹ̀ ṣé mo lè gbà kán ṣe irú ẹ̀fọ́ máa mi sọ́mọ tiẹ̀ ló ṣe é fún ó ní mọ́bì mọ́ ok ó dáa mo ní mo á pàṣẹ fún ọ gẹ́gẹ́ bí bàbá àti Yomi o àti Ijesha ẹ fẹjọ́ yẹn lẹ̀ tó bá tásìkò àwọn ẹgbẹ́ wa ò rí sí ló bá pa fóònù àbí mo ṣe à ń gbọ́ tògo onítọ̀ kóòtù lọ́lọ́pàá.
pẹ̀lú bó ṣe rí ipa wo ni ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ yìí máa ní lórí ẹgbẹ́ yín.
kò lè níṣẹ̀lẹ̀ tí ọ̀dà lórí wa torí pé ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn ọmọ òde òní wọ́n kàn báyé lóde ni wọ́n ń jẹ́.
ó ṣẹlẹ̀ ló dé lórí bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà yìí náà.
ọmọ kan ọ̀dà táwa rè é yọ̀bẹ tì á kọ́ lọ́gbọ́n á fi jẹun táǹfẹ́ hàn ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ọmọ ọ̀dà ara fún mi wọ́n kì í bá ń gbọ́ ọjọ́ tó káyọ̀.
wà lórí live chat o.
ṣé fún àlùbáríkà. ẹ ti sọ̀rọ̀.
mo wà lórí live chat ẹ bá.
no mi ò sọ̀rọ̀ o.
ẹ sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ bá wa sọ̀rọ̀ tún bá àríbọ̀dà àdẹ̀jọ́ tún fúlùmbó làwọn náà wà ń fẹ́ bèrè.
wọ́n lọ gbé báàgì bàbá ọlọ́fà náà sí inú mọ́tò.
bàbá ọlọ́fà náà wọ́n wà ń bí mo ti request. Bọ́ládélé oh you welcome ẹ ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ ẹ jẹ́ wa. Bọ́ládélé ẹ ní bá wa sọ̀rọ̀ ni.
Okay, we have a lot to talk about today.
Okay.
But we're expecting nothing less than victory. Yeah, victory. We all understand what is happening. We all understand what is going on here. There is a clear case of threat. There is a clear case of power tussle. There's a clear case of power play. And in 2021 of this world, the kind of world we have today, the kind of nation we're trying to build as Nigeria, I don't think this is tenable. I don't think we are competing with those we look forward to as the nation we want to build. This is not the kind of Nigeria we want. You understand?
This is Dele Mati.
Yeah, my name is Dele Mati. Yeah. So we're nobody, and I've always said this. We are not in support of rape. We are not in support of molestation of any form. But wherever we realize there's an injustice, then we ought to stand up. Because it is Baba Ijesha's case today. We don't know who the next victim is going to be. So.
Kí ni nǹkan tó bá yín dé ilé ẹjọ́ lónìí?
Yeah, orúkọ tèmi ni Dele Mati. Kókó tá fi wà níbí lẹ́yìn nítorí èèyàn wa, ọ̀rẹ́ wa àti ẹni tí a jọ ń ṣiṣẹ́ pọ̀. Lárẹ̀wájú Omiyinka tí gbogbo wa mọ̀ sí Baba Ijesha tí wọ́n gbé wá sí ilé ẹjọ́ lórí allegation wípé ó rape, wípé ó molest ọmọ kékeré. Àkọ́kọ́ mo fẹ́ kó yé gbogbo wa pé gbogbo àwa tá di láti jọ enjoy bẹ̀rẹ̀ látòrí Yomi Fábíyì, èmi fúnra mi, Ṣeun Ìkọ̀tún and every other person àti gbogbo àwọn bàbá wa tí wọ́n dìde ní láti àwọn tó jẹ́ lawyers àtàwọn kí ẹnì kankan nínú wa kò support rape o. A sọ pé ìfipábánilòpọ̀ àbí ká sọ wípé ká ṣe ìṣekúṣe pẹ̀lú ọmọ kékeré ó da ò torí àwa náà bímọ.
but n tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ni pé tá bá wo sàkún ọ̀rọ̀ yìí àti gbogbo nǹkan tó ń pè ní evidence tó lè gbé síwájú wá sìn àti rí pé power play wà nìkan àti rí pé ẹ̀hónú ìmọ̀tara ẹni nìkan ti wà níbì kan tá bá wá fẹ́ ṣe yẹn ò sí lọ́ndà òfin lágbájá ṣẹ̀ mí mo wá fẹ́ ṣe téèyàn bá gbá mi létí tí má ti gbá etí tèmi padà ọ̀rọ̀ ti tán síbẹ̀ yẹn ṣùgbọ́n èèyàn wá gbá mi létí wọ́n á lo rojọ́ ìbọn ní court ẹni pé ó ti yàtọ̀ síra wọn so that's what we're saying that if Baba Ijesha is found wanting of anything tó bá jẹ́ wípé ó jẹ̀bi nǹkan kan a nígbàgbọ́ wípé ilé ẹjọ́ máa dájọ́ yẹn bó ṣe yàgò àmọ́ kó má fi ìyà èyí tí kò ṣe jẹ́ kó má rojọ́ nǹkan tí kò ṣe because gbogbo ń tẹ́ sọ fún wa ẹ ní ẹ̀rí ní evidence tó dájú láti gbé kalẹ̀ fún wa wípé kíní yìí ṣẹlẹ̀ are we thinking in this country how can a mother ẹni tó pera ẹ̀ ní ìyá ọmọ sọ pé wọ́n mú molest ọmọ ọdún méje ní ọdún méje sẹ́yìn are we thinking does it sound reasonable to anybody ọmọ ọdún méje gbogbo alamọ tó máa ṣẹlẹ̀ tó máa penetrate ọmọ ọdún méje gbogbo alamọ tó máa ṣẹlẹ̀ ọlọ́mọ ẹ̀ka ṣàgbákò rú ẹ̀ understand ẹ̀jẹ̀ wo ló jáde lára ọmọ náà jọ náà kí ló ṣe there is what we call pelvic girdle we all understand it we did biology in our school days understand kíní yẹn máa ní problem ní àárín ìgbà kan so tó bá ṣe pé lóòótọ́ ni kíní yẹn ṣẹlẹ̀ dẹ̀ ni ó wá pamọ́ra kò wá.
ẹ jọ ẹni admin tó bá wà níbi ẹ bá mi ṣámà yín blocking Láńre àbí kí ló pera ẹ admin ẹ jọ ẹ ṣiṣẹ́ yín ẹ bá mi ṣámà yín blocking ẹ kàrọ̀ doctor.
Not because of that, you now set him up again. Let's look into the law. I'm not a lawyer, but I know lawyers. I have lawyers friends. I have them as father. I have them as brothers. They are there to interpret what the Constitution of Nigeria says. Kò dẹ̀ ṣe fi bò ó wà nínú ó ti wà lákọọ́lẹ̀ so tó bá parọ́ fún wa lè lọ́ka fún wa I have evidence act in my house I have criminal code I have the capacity 3 down lórí
máa tó pera ẹ ní Láńre àòfiyèbí mi rò pé ní ọpọlọ yín wọ́n ti háàkẹ́ ẹ má comment rubbish lórí péjì or else máa ṣáyín blocking ṣé dandan ni tẹ́ bá rí pé nǹkan tá à ń ṣe kò tẹ́ yín lọ́rùn ẹ wà kápá ṣé yá wèrè ni.
tó bá ṣe pé ọmọ kékeré ni ọmọ yẹn lóòótọ́ nínú òfin ìjọ lẹ́tọ̀ọ́ fún yín láti sọ pé ọmọ kan go through trauma ní ọdún méje sẹ́yìn ẹ tí wọ́n ní kó face the same trauma with the same person ẹni tẹ́ sọ fún wa pé ẹni yẹn ó ń rí lórí tẹlifíṣọ̀n ó ń chiva ẹ̀rù ń bà nígbà tó wà lórí tẹlifíṣọ̀n and the same person ẹ wá ní kí ọmọ yẹn lọ jókòó tì does it make sense to anybody? Does it make sense to anybody? So using that girl gẹ́gẹ́ bí bait láti treat ẹni yẹn in the first instance.
Bàbá ọlọ́fà àná ṣì ń sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ jẹ́ ń lọ béèrè pé kí ni bàbá ń sọ. Bàbá ọlọ́fà àná ok.
Ìyá wa ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́ máa o.
Bọ̀dá àdẹ̀jọ́ tún fúlù náà wà ń bí àwọn náà wá.
ẹ kọjọ́ mẹ́ta bó ní gbogbo ẹ̀ àbí ẹ̀nà bẹ́ẹ̀ fún un lẹ̀.
àdẹ̀jọ́ tún fúlù náà wà ń bí. ẹ ti rí pé àwọn òṣèré wọn dìde báyìí wọ́n ti ń dìde báyìí lọ́sẹ̀rẹ̀ náà pé Àbùkíá ọmọ Ìjẹ̀bú náà wà ń bí. Àbùkíá ọmọ Ìjẹ̀bú is here also. Àbùkíá ọmọ Ìjẹ̀bú is here. Ọ̀túnba Ìkọ̀tún wà ń bí. Bàbá ọlọ́fà àná látòdì díẹ̀dẹ́ ẹ rí wọn bàbá àgbàlagbà ọjọ́ yẹn àdálẹ́ gbàrà lọ́hùn ẹ rí bàbá àgbàlagbà ẹ rí wọn àwọn òwò oníwò pé lágbájá kan kò sí ní ANTP ẹ rí wọn àgbàlagbà wọn tó dìde látòdì díẹ̀dẹ́ wá sẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ṣé wọn ò níṣẹ́ ni ṣó possible ẹ ti rí wọn ẹ rí wọn.
So that is the point. So àwọn tẹ́fà sọ pé àwọn kan wá jáde nínú ẹgbẹ́ òṣèré then I think they will have their own reason. So àtàwọn èèyàn kan náà bẹ̀rẹ̀ sọ àwọn afọ̀mọ́ jáde tó kàn lè má jẹ́ àṣẹgbẹ́ individual Nigeria. Thank you. Sister.
Badele, ẹ ti rí doctor. Ẹ ti rí doctor.
Ọ̀gá mi, délé mọ́tì, àjùgbé ti láì. Ọ̀rẹ́ rẹ̀ dá.
Doctor, mi mọ bí tí Ọ̀túnba ní kó lọ.